Good morning students, welcome to online class. Yesterday already completed exercise 2.2 13th sum. Today 14th one. What is given? A sum of rupees 500 in the form of denominations rupees 5 and rupees 10. If the total number of notes is 90, find the number of notes of each denomination. Okay. Total amount equals to rupees 500. The 500 is in 10 rupees notes and 5 rupees notes is there. The total 500. Okay. How many? We don't know how many number of 5 rupees notes and we don't know how many number of 10 rupees notes. But total number of notes equals to 90. 5 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes, total number of notes equals to 90. Total number of notes equals to 90. But we don't know the rupees 5 rupees notes number of, and we don't know the number of 10 rupees notes. So let the number of rupees 5 is equals to x. Okay. Number of rupees 10 is equals to 90 minus x. Total notes is 90. For example, 5 rupees notes are 10. What is the left remaining? 80. How will come 90 minus 10? Okay, is it clear? Same like that. We don't know the number of 5 rupees notes, we don't know. That's why total number 90. 90 minus 5 rupees notes equals to 90 minus x. Next class.
Sir,
8th class. Okay. Now the denomination of rupees 5. For example, you have 5 rupees notes 5. Total amount equals to 25. How? 5 into 5. So here the denomination, the amount of rupees 5 equals to number of notes of how many 5 rupees notes? X. X into 5. So 5x. The denomination of rupees 10. 10 rupees notes, for example, you have 5. How much amount you have? 50. 5 10s are 50. So 90 minus x into 10. But given total denomination equals to rupees 500. Total denomination according to our sum 5x. 5x plus 90 minus x into 100 is equals to 500. Okay. 5x plus 10 into 90, 900 minus 10 into x, 10x is equals to 500. Total bracket multiply with 10. So 10 into 90, 900. 10 into x, 10x. Okay. 900 minus 5x minus 10x. 5x equals to 500. Minus 5x transfer to this side, plus 5x. Plus 500 transfer to this side, minus 500. 900 minus 500. 400 equals to 5x. X equals to 400 by 5. 5 1 times 5 8 are 40, 0. Therefore x equals to 80. What is the x? Number of rupees 5. Number of rupees 5 equals to 80. Number of rupees 10 notes, 5 rupees notes equals to 80. 90 minus x. 90 minus 80 is equals to 10. 10 rupees notes are 10, 5 rupees notes are 80. So 80 plus 10, 90 notes. 85 are 400, 10 tens are 100, 400 plus 100, 500. Is it clear? That is the 14th sum. Okay, exercise 2.3. First sum. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. First one. 7x minus 5 is equals to 2x. Here in the sum, one variable is given. The variable value we can find out. Find the value of that variable. Okay. Transposes 7x plus 2x transfer to this side minus 2x is equals to 7x plus 2x transfer to this side minus 2x equal to minus 5 is there. Minus 5 transfer to that side plus 5. 7x minus 2x 5x is equals to 5. X equals to 5 by 5. Okay, that is 5 1 times 5 1 times. Therefore x equals to 1. Second one, 5x minus 12 is equals to 2x minus 6. Okay, here variables are transferred to one side and numbers are transferred to one side. So plus 2x transferred to this side. 5x minus 2x is equals to here minus 6 minus 12 transferred to that side plus 12. 5x minus 2x, 5x's and 2x's. Subtraction. 5x minus 2x equals to 3x is equals to 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 equals to 6. X equals to 6 by transfer to this side by. Here 3x means 3 into x. So into transfer to that side division. So 3 1 times, 3 2 times. Therefore x equals to 2. Third one. 7p minus 3 is equals to 3p plus 8. Okay, same here also variables are transferred to one side and number constants are transferred to one side. 7p minus 3p plus 3p transferred to this side minus 3p minus 3 transferred to that side plus 3. 7p minus 3p 4p is equals to 8 plus 3 4. Sorry 11. P equals to 11 by 4. So therefore P equals to 11 by 4. Fourth one. 8m plus 9 is equals to 7m plus 8. Variables are transferred to one side and constants are transferred to one side. Okay. 8m plus 7m transpose to this side minus 7m. Okay. Plus 8 minus m transpose to that side minus 9. Okay. 8m minus 7m 1m. 8 minus 9 not possible. So 9 minus 8 minus 1. Therefore m equals to minus 1. Seven z plus 13 is equals to 2z plus 4. variables are transpose one side. 7z plus z transpose to this side minus 2z plus 13 transpose to that side 4 minus 13 plus 13 transpose to that side minus 13. 7z minus 2z 5z is equals to 4 minus 13 not possible minus 13 minus 4 9 z equals to minus 9 5 is transpose to that side by 5. Therefore, z equals to minus 9 by 5. Sixth one. 9y plus 5 is equals to 15y minus 1. Okay. Plus 9y plus 15y transpose to this side. Transpose to this side. Plus 15 minus 15y. Plus 5 transpose to that side. Minus 1 minus 5. 9y minus 15y not possible. So you take the minus 15y minus 9y 6y is equals to minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Both sides negative numbers cancelled. Y equals to 6 by 6 that is 1. Therefore y equals to 1. Seventh one. 3x plus 4 is equals to 5 into x minus 2. Okay. Listen. 3x plus 4 equals to, before the bracket one number is there. That number multiplied with both the two numbers. Both the two terms multiplied with the before the bracket number. So 5 into x, 5x, 5 into minus 2, minus 5 2 is 10. Now plus 3x transpose to this side, 5x minus 3x, minus 10 transpose to this side, 4 plus 10. 4 plus 10 equals to 14 equals to 5x minus 3x equals to 2x. X equals to 14 by 2. How many times? 7 times. Therefore, x equals to 7. Eighth one. 3 into t minus 3 equals to 5 into 2t minus 1. Okay. Multiplied with 3 with the both two terms. 3 into t, 3t, 3 3s are 9 equals to 5 into 2t, 5 2s are 10t minus 5 1s are 5. 3t plus 10t transpose to this side, transpose to this side, minus 10t. Minus 5, minus 9 transpose to that side, plus 9. 3t minus 10t, minus 7t equals to minus 5 plus 9, 9 minus 5, 4. T equals to 4 by minus 7. Here minus 7t means minus 7 into t. Not minus 7 transpose to that side plus 7. No. Minus 7 into t. Okay. So, into transpose to that side by 4 by 7. Therefore, t equals to negative denominator not there. Numerator. Okay. Minus 4 by 7. Minus sign never write in the denominator. It is always write in the numerator only. Ninth one. Five into p minus 3 is equals to 3 into p minus 2. Okay. Same. Multiplied with 5. with the both two terms. 5 into p, 5p minus 5 into 3, 15 equals to 3 into p, 3p minus 3 2s are 6. Minus 3p transpose to this side plus 3p transpose to this side minus 3p plus minus 15 transpose to that side plus 15. 5p minus 3p, 2p is equals to 15 minus 6, 9. P equals to 9 by 2. Therefore, P equals to 9 by 2. 10th one. 5 into z plus 3 is equals to 4 into 2z plus 1. One. 5 into z plus 3 equals to 4 into 2z plus 1. Okay. 5 into z, 5z. 5 into 3, 15 equals to 4 into 2z, 4 2z are 8z plus 4 1z are 4. Okay. Plus 5z transpose to this side. 8z minus 5z plus 4 transpose to this side minus 4. 15 minus 4, 11 is equals to 8z minus 5z, 3z. Okay. Z equals to 11 by 3. Therefore, Z equals to 11 by 3. 11th one. 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3 is equals to 2 into 7 plus x. 15 into x, 15x minus 15 1 jar, 15. First completed. Next plus 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 3, 12 equals to 2 into 7, 14, 2 into x, 2x. Okay. 15x plus 4x, 19x minus 15 plus 12. Which one is bigger? 15. So negative. 15 minus 12, 3. 14 plus 2x. Plus 2x transpose to this side. 19x minus 2x. Plus 2x transpose to this side. Minus 2x. Minus 3 transpose to that side. Plus 3. 19x minus 2x. 17x. 14 plus 3. 17. X equals to 17 by 17. Therefore, x equals to 1. 12th one. 2 sums left. 3 into 5z minus 7 plus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equals to 4 into 8z minus 7 minus 111 111. Okay, simplify. 3 into 5z, 3 5s 15z minus 3 7s are 21. plus 2 9s are 18z, 2 into 11 minus 22 is equals to 4 8s are 32z minus 4 7s are 28 minus 111. 5z plus 18z, 33z is equals to 13z, 33z minus 21 minus 22 minus 43 equals to 32z minus 139. 28 minus 111, 28 plus 111 minus 139. 33z plus 32z transpose to this side, minus 32z equals to minus 43 transpose to that side, plus 43 minus 139. 33z minus 32z, 1z equals to 43 minus 139. How much? 43 subtractions. 6, 9. Minus a bigger number, so minus. Therefore, z equals to minus 96. Thirteenth one. 8 into x minus 3 minus 6 into 6 minus 2x equals to 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 5 minus x. That is 13th sum, and 14th sum is 3 into n minus 4 plus 2 into 4n plus minus 5 equals to 5 into n plus 2 plus 16. Okay, simplify. 8 into x, 8x minus 8 3s are 24 minus, multiply with minus, minus into plus minus 6 minus into minus plus 2x. If there is no number but negative is there, minus is there, so minus into plus minus 6 minus into minus plus 2x equals to 2 into x, 2x, 2 2s are 4 minus 5 into 5 minus 25 minus into minus plus 5 into x, 5x. 8x plus 2x, 10x minus 24 minus 6 minus 30 equals to 2x plus 5x, 7x. My bigger number is minus, so minus 24 minus 4, 21 plus 7x transpose to this side, 10x minus 7x minus 21 minus 30 transpose to that side, plus 30. 10x minus 7x, 3x minus 21 plus 30 plus 9. Bigger number is 30, so plus 30 minus 21, 9. X equals to 9 by 3. 3 one times, 3 3 times. Therefore, x equals to 3. Here, 14th, last sum. 3 into n, 3n minus 3 4s are 12 plus 2 into 4n, 8n minus 2 5s are 10 equals to 5 into n, 5n plus 5 2s are 10 plus 16. 3n plus 8n, 11n minus 12 minus 10 minus 22 equals to 5n only, 1 5n only. 10 plus 16, 26. Plus 5n transpose to this side. 11n minus 5n equals to 26. Minus 22 transpose to that side. Plus 22. 11n minus 5n. 6n. 26 plus 22. 48. N equals to 48 by 6. 6 1 times. 6 8 times. Therefore, n equals to 8. This is the exercise 2.3. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we will discuss about exercise 2.4. Thank you.